Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Teclast T60. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click on agree and continue. And now you can close this ad, then click allow and click consent. Now click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. And close this ad again, and as you can see my VPN is now connected to Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.